Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Tuesday, June 3rd, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the top 3 people who crush it with mailbox money. And before I get started, if you've never seen any of my videos, welcome to the channel. I've been involved in the work from home space for the last 18 plus years, and I've been very fortunate enough to be working full-time for myself since 2018. And it's my true passion to help other people generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing, okay? So with that being said, the top 3 people who crush it with mailbox money, sorry, I'm letting somebody out here. The first person is the hustler, okay? Somebody who takes massive action every day. They mail out postcards, they don't overthink or overcomplicate anything, and they stick with it. Okay, this works perfect for somebody who is in constant hustle and grind mode, because you don't have to do anything other than mail out postcards. All right, in fact, I'm headed to the soap shop and then I'm going to go mail these out again, another stack. All right, so you have to constantly just be mailing out postcards or letters or flyers or however you promote this, and just do it all the time. Just stay consistent. All right, speed and hustle, that's what you want, speed and hustle. And that's why the hustler is one of the top 3 people who crush it with mailbox money. All right, they don't overcomplicate things. They don't try to get, they just do what you're supposed to do, and that's just stay consistent with however you're marketing your program. And with these direct mail opportunities, you're mailing out postcards and letters. It's as simple as that, right? So if you're a hustler, if you're somebody who just takes action right away and doesn't overthink things or overcomplicate things or try to do anything different, then you can make this work. All right. The second person is the retiree. All right, somebody who's retired, they're looking for, ways to supplement their retirement. They have some free time on their hands and they don't mind putting in the work. All right, if you're a retiree, direct mail money or direct mail postcard opportunities can be a great place for you to build up a nice residual income that will complement your retirement. Right? I mean, you don't have to do anything techy. All right, a lot of older people, they're not into the tech side of things, so it works perfect for them because you don't have to be super techy. You don't have to be techy at all, right? You don't even have to let anybody know that you're doing this. You can build these opportunities anonymously by simply just mailing out the postcards. So it works perfect for a retiree. They have plenty of time to stay consistent with their mailings. And, it really is, like I said in a video not too long ago, it's not rocket surgery, right? And so the retiree is somebody who this works out perfect for. And the third person who really crushes it in mailbox money is the visionary. All right, somebody who can see the long-term vision of building an empire, mailing out postcards, letters, and flyers, and they have the willpower to stick with it long enough before they quit. All right, they see the long-term, they see the vision, they see that, okay, this is very possible to earn a full-time income or more by simply mailing out postcards. All right, and I can't guarantee you'll make any money with these opportunities simply because it's based on your work ethic. Most people, they don't have a very good work ethic at all, and they quit on themselves before they even get started. All right, but the visionary, these are people who tend to treat opportunities like this like the real businesses that they are. All right, and they can see the long term. And I always talk about long term being, that's how wealthy people look at opportunities or investments, is long term. They're not looking to make a quick buck and get rich overnight. And so that's what the visionary is. A visionary is like that. They see the long term, they stick with it, they have the willpower to stay consistent with their mailings and to take action, and they get results. Okay? They can, build big teams, they know how to reinvest into their business, and they win because they have the long-term mindset. And the point of this video is, even if you are not a hustler right now, even if you're not a retiree right now, even if you're not a visionary right now, direct mail is so easy for anybody to do that all you have to do is decide to show up every day, take massive action, and stay consistent, and you can get results. All right, now I work with all kinds of people from all different backgrounds, from all walks of life, and the majority of the people that I work with, they're not any of these three people that I just mentioned. All right? The people that I work with are the people that are searching for ways like this. The majority of them are people who have shiny object syndrome, or they're looking for a way to make money really quick. Okay, so the majority of people, they join and then they quit right away because they're not getting the instant gratification, and they're only hurting themselves. But when I do work with somebody who is a hustler, when I do work with somebody who is a retiree, when I do work with people who are visionaries, these are the people who get results. These are the people that go on to build mailbox money empires. And there are exceptions. There are, once in a blue moon, somebody will tell me that they have shiny object syndrome, or they're looking for the easiest way to make money, and they will go on after they change their mindset, they will go on and they'll have success building a mailbox money empire, because they understand that, you have to have long-term goals, and you can't expect to get rich overnight with these opportunities. So some people do go on and they do very well because they change their mindset and they become the visionary, or they become the hustler. All right. And, I do work with people who are retired, but a lot of the retirees, they're the same way. They're looking for ways to supplement their income the quickest possible way. Once in a while, I'll have somebody who sticks with it and they start getting results. All right. So the point of this video is that anybody can do this. Anybody can mail out the postcards. You just have to have the right mindset. All right. And being a hustler totally helps. Being a retiree, you have all the time in the world, most likely, to put in to making these opportunities work. And the visionary, all right, these people crush it. The ones who take action crush it with mailbox money. They build their mailbox money empire. But anybody can do it. Anybody can do this. You don't have to be a big marketing guru or anybody can do this, all right? That's the point of this video. So, you just want to do what works for you. If this is something that you think you can do, take action. Get started. You can go to joinruss.com, check out all my opportunities. I offer coaching services. I have a newsletter that you can join, all right? And you can get all the information about how you can go and build a mailbox money empire right here on joinruss.com. And then reach out to me. If you're one of these three people, or if you're somebody who is interested in becoming one of these three people, reach out to me. I'm here to help you out, all right? It's my true passion to help other people generate mailbox money. I love it, all right? I eat, sleep, and breathe marketing, okay? So that's it for this video. If you find value in it, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. And I appreciate each and every one of you. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome day.